Yo, what up, subs? Um, Today I just want to show you how I make it rain diamonds on these noobs. Cause I am a freaking boss, a boss. So, gonna give them a little diamond bath. Oh yeah, scatter towards them. Scatter towards the diamonds, noobs. Go, go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, got a little pile of diamonds. Let's get a little more over here. Yeah. You like that, huh? Look all them diamonds. Call that making it rain diamonds. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You know you like this little trap I made for the villagers? Cause they noobs. Noobs. Just go. Just go. Oh, yeah. Look at the diamonds in the middle. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Too lazy to finish it. So, yeah. You know the drill. Like, favorite, and subscribe this video. And, I have no outro. So, yeah. Let me do a little more diamonds for you. And, yeah. Later.